Another big drop in the positive COVID test rate across North Carolina. Well, today, health officials say that number is down to 7.1%. 4,887 new cases were reported, while 1,861 patients remain in the hospital tonight. Tomorrow, the masks can come off in Mecklenburg County. The mask mandate will officially be lifted. And speech therapy is one form of education that's very much impacted by the masks. Queen City News reporter Robin Kennedy live in Charlotte tonight. Robin, so what changes right now are they making?
Alicia, a speech therapist we spoke with, say they're still going to continue using facial protection, even though that mask mandate will soon be gone. But they're not going to be using the type of masks we usually see.
1, 2, 3.
They're pandemic babies.
You have these little human beings that are born, they're trying to navigate the world, but they can't even see, mouth movement.
Kiana Holmes noticed some speech delays with her 2-year-old son.
Bubbles. He's not requesting certain things like, Mommy, I want a cup. Mommy, I'm tired. He's not putting sentences together.
She enrolled him in speech therapy.
We're working on an L sound, for example. I show my tongue tip up, and they're unable to see that unless my mouth is showing.
Like some other businesses, Little Wonders Therapy had to close at the very start of the pandemic. And then they had to come up with ways to do safe and effective therapy.
We do allow the kids to take their mask off, or else we would not be able to do much therapy.
Speech therapist Kayla Nance uses a face shield. The owners even made their own masks with a clear plastic opening around the mouth.
I have done it with a face mask, and it's not ideal. The kids can't look at your facial cues.
Little Wonders still offers virtual speech therapy if parents believe that's best, but the company says it's not nearly as effective.
Having a 2-year-old on a webcam, I just personally didn't think that would make a big impact for a little toddler.
Kiana's son is making progress.
He's been saying, words and sentences that he's never said before.
By watching his teacher.
Speech therapy is 100% looking at your mouth.
Learning little by little, face to face. Now, the owners of Little Wonders Therapy say they really hope with the COVID cases going down and the mask mandate soon being lifted tomorrow in Mecklenburg County, that will help parents feel more comfortable seeking in-person speech therapy if their children need it. I'm reporting live in Charlotte. Robin Kennedy, Queen City News.